Prepositions of location. These are words used to refer to a place where something, object, or someone, person is located. We have, for example, in front of, which means from one side to the other side. Example, my house is in front of the church. We also have between, when something or someone is on each side. Example, the restaurant is between the church and the library. We have next to, when something or someone is on one side. Example, my hotel is next to the park. And behind, when something or someone is at the back of. Example, our house is behind the supermarket. Imperatives and commands. To form positive formal commands, start with the base form of the verb. Example, move, turn, walk, read, look, and add the rest of the instruction. Imperatives are used without the subject. I, you, we, they, and so on. This structure is used often for giving directions. Here are some examples. Please stop here. Walk 2 blocks. Turn left. Turn right. Go straight. Turn around. Cross the road. Look at the board. Thank you and see you next time. Goodbye.